Hello Martin, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Ducati Multistrada S. The kilometers has 10,843 kilometers and the price is 15,888 plus the GST and taxes. This motorcycle is fully safety certified by Ducati. Comes with a brand new tire, center stand, micro protectors, heated grips, and also comes a cruise control. Pretty much this motorcycle ready to go for the season, and also comes with a top box from Ducati. The unit is available. If you do have some time, please come to see us and take a look at the motorcycle. We're happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacts. Thanks.